Hi guys, workshop walk around. We do not tell it workshop Wednesday because when we would show you that video it would be so old that it's probably not interesting for the other guys. So we do probably 2 ways of content. This will be probably also a bit longer. I will show you current projects what we are doing. I will show you the stuff what we are building. We will get into some projects probably a bit deeper in that walk around, but you will have a feeling about what we are doing, and we will try out how the English content, how do you like it, and yeah, what do you think about, and just comment it and say, is this something which is interesting for you, and then we will swap over to English content. Probably I will do the English content and Guido will do the German content, but we will find a way for that. So let's start here. This is our Master MX-5 ND Road to 24-hour project. At the moment it's more a road to get it finished. Yeah, we just did a lot of development work on this car, so this is something we should not forget. We run a complete hard race setup in struts. This is our own SPS coilover racing suspension, which is specially made for the Nürburgring. We are now working with one of our customers also for a special Nürburgring with long damper travel suspension. Yeah, and to show you what we did also. So suspension-wise, hard race in our own suspension kit, which is actually a silver suspension, which we are selling in Germany. We have fiberglass doors, plastic windows, a Fiat 124 carbon roof. The roll cage from the car is also manufactured in Altendietz, so we do this by our own. So this was complete done by ourselves. Basically, it's a 184 2-liter ND, which will run the standard transmission in the start. We are running a cast diff in the rear end with 37.54 ring pinion, so pretty short geared. This car, I think it will get direct the ITB setup as the first car to see how the gains are. We make a special ECU for that car, which is actually like a standalone ECU. We do this together with MS Labs from Greek. Here's one engine which is nearly finished for a customer. Engine departments just look a little bit untidy at the moment, so I just would not go into that because we just took some engines apart. We have to clean that part off. This part is now completely free because we're waiting for new cars getting in. One of the Time Attack cars is just getting in. This is a V6 from Rocket here. Which now get a cast DBZ 1810 in the rear end, and yeah, it runs Rotor RB wheels. I know for the guys we say all the time just OEM or original JDM wheels. Yeah, in Germany it's a bit hard to get. I ordered some Watanabe for myself, but it's really hard to get them. So this is a complete built engine from Rocketeer. We dropped in. We did some SPS loft to it so that it looks really tidy in the engine bay, as you can see. What you also, yeah, then we have the Cobra, which is a, I think, 13-liter Donovan engine. We did all the electronics. That was the first deal we had to do, but now we will just also do some we will also do some mechanical work to the engine. Hopefully this one will get finished soon. Our drift car, the engine is finished. When the engine is finished we will just show you this one. It's a pretty cool car. It's a complete custom made roll cage, 2.5-liter V6 with a FD transmission, FC rear end, just for drifting with a radiator in the back. This is our ND, probably guys from you saw it, it's an LFX engine in, first conversion with V8 Roadster, the next kit will come from us. But here we also do kind of a standalone ECU. We are using the stock GM for the engine, and we use a CAN converter for the communications to the interior of the car. So our goal will be to have a complete V6 ND which runs like a stock car. It's a customer car, really good customer from us because it took a long time to get it to this point. It was not an easy way, but I think we managed to do it. So let's look into the other side of the workshop. This one gets a 1.6 turbo. This one is a 1.6 turbo. This is an Exoset with a 1.8 turbo, our own manifold, StopTech brakes in the front and the back, pedal suspension. This came with it. The customer just told us actually we just should do the engine. We do our own BMW transmission swap. This is basically one of the first one. The other one is outside of the building. We are running a PPF, which is steel frame PPF. Because otherwise you have really shaky noise or shaky vibration issues in the body. We have the also here a 3.6 rear end with a cast DB set 1.2 way rear diff, and yeah, the StopTech race kit. This is my own car. It's just in the shop because it left the front side. Normally it's just there as a, let's say a pop-up car, so everybody can have a look to it. We will make our own feature on this. A lot of guys saw that car in Top Miata. So this is a 2.5 liter KL swapped MX-5 to a 6-speed transmission, 4.1 in the rear end, so it's really short geared. Carbon Miata ducktail, one of our own roll bars, Nardi steering wheel and all that. These are cool and shiny stuff. This is the next Rocketeer conversion, which we are now at the moment building. It's also a 3 liter V6 Jaguar engine. HJ30 in a nice body shell, not a lot of rust, so I like this one. What we have, so Omid is at the moment just doing a two-way DB set 1810 for the Rocketeer car out there. He's just measuring in ring pinion. We have here a Cosmo, really rare car from a good customer. Full restoration. It went to the to chemicals, which gets all the paint from the car. We did a lot of rust repair already. It's not done at the moment. We're just a bit short in time to get it finished, which is pretty sad, but just have to get to see that other projects are rolling, because hopefully I get it finished pretty soon. It should be, normally our idea was to have it already finished, but yeah, if you do a garage workshop where you do restoration and tuning and building, it's all the time the same. There are issues, and then you just have to see what you can do. So this is actually what happens here. If you have any question, we just can have a look to this 1.6 conversion. This is also a 1.6 liter built from us. We are using R8 coils, so Audi R8 coils or TFSI coils. You can name it as you want to. Our own catch can design, our breather design of the valve cover, GT2540 a 54 Garrett turbo. Yeah, and the whole conversion is built from us. We all the time try to keep the engine bay as tidy as possible, because for my eyes they are eating with when you are looking into an engine bay. So it's I think you can throw all the stuff in, but you can also make it tidy. It's at the end of the day not so much work. Yeah, so you just have a little bit feeling what we are doing. I make a feature now about my own car, that because a lot of people know that car from Top Miata and all that pages, that you just have a feeling about why and what's the idea of building these one. And yeah, we just show you more and more stuff what we are doing in the workshop. See you in the next video. Bye.